Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis. We're currently up 66 basis points on the 1 hour chart. What we have here is we're nearing overbought on the RSI, and we have now reached to positive MACD. As for the 4 hour chart, what we have here is we are approaching to positive MACD, and we're also nearing overbought on the RSI. We still have the 200 moving average, this green line, acting as our resistance today, and that is around a price of $1,971. If we extend that further onto the daily chart, what we have here is we are resting right along the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, so that is a positive sign for the uptrend, and we see the 9 moving average converge onto the 18-day moving average, the blue and purple lines moving higher, so that is another positive sign that the uptrend is still intact. And we also see a convergence, slight convergence on the daily MACD as well. So for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD. What we have here is I'm opening a position size of less than 1% of my portfolio on a long. My entry will be $180.67. That is fairly close to where we have the 50-day moving average. That will be my long entry around this range. My sell target will be $184.24, and my stop loss will be $179.50. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry will be $185.43, around this range where we encountered previous resistance levels. As for my sell target, there will be $181.86, and my stop loss will be $186.63. So the day-by-day probability model is available in the link below, so do check it out, which we have right here. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 25% chance for gold futures to climb higher between 0 to 1.3, and on the extreme case to the upside, a 25% chance to climb between 1.3% to 2.6%. On the other hand, to the downside, we have a 50% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 1.3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.